Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add comments on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the pin you want to comment. Scroll down and at the comments section, tap on add the comment. And there are some pre-written comments here. You can choose one from there or you can write one on your own. And when you are ready, tap on post at the bottom right corner of the screen. And this is how you write comments on Pinterest. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye!